how to fix Windows setup error 0xC1900101 in Windows 11. Don't let errors stop you from updating your OS. Here's how you can fix Windows setup error 0xC1900101. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What causes error 0xC1900101? For some users, updating their PC to Windows 11 doesn't go smoothly due to error 0xC1900101. Several factors, such as conflicting drivers, third-party applications, or system configurations, can cause this error. In any case, this can be fixed easily with a few troubleshooting methods. But before we teach you these, you need to meet some prerequisites. Prerequisites to fix error 0xC1900101. You must ensure that your unit meets the requirements for Windows 11. You need to back up important data in case things go awry. You need a stable internet connection. And finally, you need administrator privileges. Once you have all of these, you are ready to begin. Let's explore each method according to the potential causes. 7 methods to fix error 0xC1900101. Cause number 1, outdated or incompatible drivers. Open Device Manager and update or roll back critical drivers under display adapters, network adapters, storage controllers, or any device under other devices with warnings. Cause number 2, third-party security tools like an antivirus or VPN software. Uninstall them via the Programs and Features window, which you can access by pressing Windows key plus R and running appwiz.cpl and hitting Enter. Cause number 3, unnecessary external devices. Shut down your device and remove non-essential devices such as USB drives, cameras, docks, and so on. Keep only the keyboard, mouse, and power connected and restart your system. Cause number 4, insufficient storage space. Check if your C drive has more than 20 gigabytes of space, expand the system reserve partition if it has less than 500 megabytes, and run disk cleanup. Cause number 5, BIOS/UEFI firmware issues. Check your motherboard's system manufacturer, system model, and BIOS version/date, and download the latest firmware from the manufacturer's support site. After updating, enable Secure Boot and TPM 2.0. Cause number 6, corrupted or missing system files. Run command prompt as admin and run these 2 commands shown on screen. And finally, cause number 7, setup log files. Download Microsoft Setup Diag and scan your system's upgrade logs for failed setup attempts. Once the scan is completed, open the generated setupdiagresults.log file to review the results. Hopefully, one of these 7 methods will allow your PC to upgrade to Windows 11 smoothly. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to fix Windows setup error 0xC1900101 in Windows 11, linked in the description below.